You search for how to buy shares of Sandoz Group AG-ADR. Sandoz is a global pharmaceuticals company focused on generics and biosimilars, and the ADR trades on eToro under the ticker SDZNY. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires a government ID, and then add funds to your account before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SDZNY to find the ADR. Make sure you select the listing that matches Sandoz Group AG-ADR from the search results. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart to review. Confirm that the company name, ticker SDZNY, and the listing match before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase and review the order details carefully. If the market is closed, the order will normally queue and execute when markets reopen, depending on order type. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Your new position will appear in the Portfolio or Holdings section once executed. For a direct link to eToro, see the description below.